What's up, people? I'm Landon with LMR.com. In this video, I'm going to be checking out a must-have solution for the 1999 to 2004 Mustangs, and that is this header panel repair kit. Let's get right into it. For those of you that have owned, you currently own, or you plan on owning a 1999 to 2004 Mustang, there is a common problem that exists on these cars where the two header panel mounting areas for the front bumper pillars will break off, leaving no secure attaching point. Well, we have a solution for that problem, and this kit I have here today is the answer. It's going to repair a damaged header panel, or it's going to serve as added insurance and reinforce this fragile area to prevent it from breaking if it's still intact. This design is very straightforward in that it utilizes the header panel to core support mounting bolts as the primary attaching point for the main support bracket. This is the larger, lower bracket. The upper bracket, which is the smaller bracket, sandwiches the header panel and fastens to the lower bracket with an additional bolt and nut after you drill a simple 1/4 inch hole. We'll touch base on that during the installation. Once they're installed, the frontward holes on both the lower bracket and the upper bracket serve as the new attaching point for the front bumper pillars, utilizing the hardware in the kit. So if we take a closer look at this kit, the 4 brackets are made from aluminum and they're pre-bent to accurately match the shape of the header panel. These brackets are bare aluminum, so you can install them as is, or they can be prepped and painted to your liking. Along with the brackets will be some pretty trick, low profile, countersunk dress-up bolts, finishing washers for the bolts, and nuts. This header panel repair kit is designed to fit all 1999 to 2004 Mustangs. Today we're going to be installing one of these kits into LMR's Azure Blue Mach 1. To get started, we're going to paint our brackets with a black e-coat first. I scuffed all the brackets with a gray scuff pad in warm water with dish soap. After that, I wiped them all down with a prep spray and a microfiber towel. Go ahead and let them air dry for a few minutes and prepare your area for paint. Working in a well-lit and well-ventilated area, go ahead and paint all the brackets. Of course, allow adequate drying time before handling or assembly. I would recommend at least 24 hours. Now you can go ahead and open the hood if you'd like, and since we'll be removing the headlights, go ahead and disconnect the negative battery cable. To remove the headlight, pull up on the 2 retainers to remove them from the header panel. Bring the headlight forward and be careful not to scratch the bumper. Disconnect the headlight bulb connection, followed by the side marker connection. Set the headlight aside. Do the same for the other headlight. If they're still intact, remove the fastener securing the bumper pillars to the header panel. Loosen and remove the 2 screws securing the header panel to the core support. Slide one of the lower, side-specific brackets into position and loosely install the previously removed hardware. Again, these are side-specific and you'll know right away if you have the correct side or not. Ensure that the lower bracket is fully seated into position by pushing in and back and then retighten the bolts. The upper brackets are symmetrical in design, but they will need to be positioned correctly on top of the header panel. Gently lift up on the bumper pillar and slide the upper bracket into place. Position one of the washers over the bolts and then feed the bolt through the bumper and brackets. Thread on a nut and then use a combination of an 11mm box end wrench on the nut and a 4mm hex socket on the bolt to tighten the hardware. Next, you'll want to use a pair of vice grips with some short sections of vacuum hose on the ends to protect the brackets from being scratched. Clamp the upper bracket so that it's flat against the header panel. Carefully drill a 1/4 inch hole through the header panel and lower bracket. Vacuum up the debris. Install another bolt and washer. Thread on the nut and then fully tighten the hardware. Remove the vice grips. Now you can repeat these same steps for the other side. Reinstall the headlights and reconnect the negative battery cable if you disconnected it. After that, you're good to go. As always, fellas, we hope this video has helped you out. For the most current product information, pricing, and availability on anything in the video, please reference the description or the website. That's all we have for you today. So until we catch you in the next one, y'all know what to do for all things new Edge Mustang. Keep it right here with the real enthusiasts, LMR.com.